First thing you notice when you get to Italy is everybody's quite cheery and happy. City's full of color here in Venice. Walked through some streets, got to our hotel, and what do you know? They've got classical music on tap with the main dial. You just turn it. There's no station changing, nothing.
Whoa. You need to eat that now so I don't have to look at it.
We're on gondola ride now and just doing that typical Venetian thing. Venetian traffic jams. Couldn't expect a better way to do it. On the high seas now, and Cecily's quite scared.
I am not scared. No, I'm not. Really? Like the spray rub?
Next step of our journey, we're going to Bologna, and really excited to hit on our first train. Swanky. Perfect size for espresso. Welcome to the nest. Yeah.
Rattle serdic shoot. Rattle Sarah de Gardini. No, I don't like massages either.
35-minute ride to Florence. We made it. Gotta figure out how to do this check-in stuff.
Then you have this key, and you know that's Dario Cecchini. You know Dario Cecchini?
No.
He's the most famous butcher in the world.
Oh,
for
wow.
the Fiorentina steak. Yes, Japan, Brazil, America,
Wow.
everywhere.
Tonight we're headed to some sort of weird steakhouse that's supposed to be communal table, all-you-can-eat meat by some famous guy that we're about to find out, and 50 euros a pop. So we'll have to see how it's like.
Viva la ciccia, chi la stropiccia, and remember, to beef or not to beef.
Cuts of meat right in my belly, all you can eat, all you can drink. Come on down, you're gonna have a good time. Buonasera. It's just that part of the evening where about to break open the Chianti Classico. We're in the Chianti region. At the nose, not bad. Bit dry. Got a 2015 here. Very good year. But what we're really aiming for is 2013. So we're going to be on the hunt for that. We're going to try and find it. But for now, we're going to have a bit of wine. You know, the thing with these wineries, you have no idea what you're getting into. You have no idea if the wine is good. You have no idea if you even know what good wine is. So, you know, you're just along for the ride here in Tuscany. And it's not a bad thing. Here's a $75 bottle of 10-year-old balsamic. Oh, it's like candy. What a wonderful experience. No cameras allowed. We actually took a tour of their private residence, which is insane because, you know, why would you want somebody walking across your windows and stuff like that? Sometimes they're eating breakfast, apparently, when a tour goes by.
Hey, bring your beard out. This is Luigi Capolini. He owns the place. I'm sorry. Now we came by to see you last night too.
We are preparing the Eroica race.
The race.
We've been enjoying the Tuscan scenery, going to wineries, relaxing in this wonderful valley we're in here. There's lots of trees. You don't see very many vineyards, so you get to really appreciate the fall weather. It's so nice to get outside of the cities and the hustle and bustle, but now we're off to Rome, which is going to be the most packed, jam-packed place. I think the trip goes on.